Okay, period 4. You're almost to the long weekend, but first, let me go over briefly what your agenda is today. So, to reiterate what I said yesterday, we are taking a pause from writing our informational essays. A lot of you expressed some concerns about writing these without me in the room, whether it was for motivation or to help you, and I completely respect that. So we will continue writing these on Tuesday when I come back. We will write them on Tuesday and we will finish them on Wednesday. This will be a 2-day thing. That will be 3 hours, really. 90 minutes on Tuesday, 90 minutes on Wednesday. 3 hours will be more than enough to continue finish this essay. All right, so what are we doing today? So you will be essentially reading an article, answering some questions about said article, and then taking a reading quiz about the article for an assignment grade. So today's work will be an assignment grade. It's actually a really interesting topic. It deals with value, which is exactly the thing we're writing our essay about. So I selected this from our Pearson book because it really ties in to what we're writing about. So you could even bring these ideas into your essay if you wanted to. It starts out with watching a video from Antique Roadshow, which is this old PBS show where people would bring things in from their homes, just junk or things they inherited from their grandparents or parents, and they'd bring them in to these collectors, and they would tell them if they were worth anything or not. And most of the time, they're not worth much, but once in a while, these things that would just be in their attic or their basement or on the back, some blanket on the back of a couch, they'd find out that they were worth quite a lot of money. And so there's a video that I posted of somebody who inherited a painting from their grandma and found quite a nice surprise there. And then there's an article about how, actually kind of flips that around, how nowadays in 2022 and 2020 and so on, those kind of things are actually happening less and less. And so just the market for collecting things is actually going down. So kind of ties into value and what things are worth now. And so I want you to read that article. You can read it on your own. You can read it with a partner. And then there are some questions tied to it, posted on Canvas. And then once I would heavily advise you answer those questions because it focuses your mind on the important things in the article. And then when you've done all of those things, there is a reading quiz attached on Mastery Connect. And I'll have to scale that, right? But that will be posted on Mastery Connect. If you finish all of those things today and there's still time left, there's missing assignments for some of you. You might not be done your introduction yet. I still noticed for some people from yesterday. And, you can always make progress on your essay. So everybody has something to do. All right. Have a good weekend. You be productive today. And I will see everybody on Tuesday where we will continue making progress on that mastery assessment essay. All right. I'll talk to you all later. Be good, be productive, and have a good weekend.